What up guys, this is Loud High the Dads from the DadzLife YouTube channel, and you don't know today is another DadzLife Versace unboxing. So as you can see, we have the box right here, so you don't know, we're going to get right into it. So guys, this very big box for just one tee. This is the t-shirt in the box. Versace brand new tee. Just a brand new tee for summer, you know guys. So I brought out the brand new tee from Versace. As you can see, brand new out of plastic. Brand new half Medusa head. Don't know. The back is blank. You see me? But it's a really nice tee. I thought it would be a nice summer vibe. So you don't know guys, I was just showing you the new stuff. I'm about to show you a lot more new stuff in Versace. This is just the normal shopping. What happens is that a lot of things take a lot of time to get to Jamaica. That's why you don't see me unboxing a lot. But as they come, I'll be doing the unboxing. And thanks for the support. This is done now. The DadzLife Versace unboxing. Brand new tee. Graphic logo. Half Medusa head. I thought it would be a nice vibe for the summer. So bless upon yourself, you know. You don't know, everything always authentic. Versace cards, everything. You don't know. Bless upon yourself, you know, for all the support.